All right, this is our Brother printer. We've had it for 4.5 years, and I'm happy to tell you that we have printed 30,000 copies in the past 4.5 years. And I know that because we got notification from Brother on our computer that it was time to replace the drum. The drum, one, is this. This is the drum. So it seems to wear out after 30,000 copies. So I'm going to put this down back in the machine. There we go. And this is the replacement. It comes in a box this big. And okay. Thank you, Clover. Clover the cat decided to join us. So it comes in a box this big. And we're actually going to replace the drum while using the drum. As far as I know, you run the green things back and forth, right? And it says remove this big orange thing in the bottom. Okay? Which I will do as soon as I transfer my ink. So I'm going to put the ink in order into the drum. Right? And they all snap. Okay. Cyan didn't snap. Okay. So this is fully done now. And I take the old one out. And something that I noticed while we were doing it is that I was having trouble with the blue one and the black one because the slidey green thing here, this green thing, wasn't all the way over. So I wasn't being able to set it in with a pop. All right. So this is the drum. And it goes back in machine. Come on, like so. And that is how you replace the drum head.